Hey ladies, this is Tea for the Soul's YouTube channel, and we're going to show you how to do this cute little how to style short hair look. We just did like a little braid with some curls, so we're going to do it. Yes. So excited. All right, so we're going to go under with our strands. It's going to kind of pop out. And I always recommend, like, especially if you're styling for somebody, have them like not wash their hair. So like have it a little dirty, maybe some dry shampoo, texture spray, absolutely whatever that will help you kind of grip hair just a little bit more. Kourtney's is more fine, so hers is gonna be a little bit more tricky, but it's still gonna be super cute and it's gonna come out really great, so.
Yeah, I was reading a meme and it says dry shampoo is coffee for your hair.
Oh, so true. I like that. That's a good little meme. And I feel like even sometimes people think that they shouldn't use it like the day after. You know, they should only use it when they feel like they need to. But I don't really believe that.
No.
Like
I sometimes use it to give my hair more volume right after I blow dry my hair.
Yeah. That and like just the texture of it. I just like a little bit of, and not myself weird, I like little grit.
Yeah.
And my hair, but it's just so much more easy to style. I feel like everything stays better. Just all that. So as you guys can see, we're gonna do the Dutch braid on Kourtney, so it's gonna look like it's a little more 3D. And at the end, I'm going to just kind of flatten it out a little bit. I'm gonna kind of pull on the strands and make it a little more, what's the word? Full.
The braid more.
I keep like I can't. My words. Yeah.
To you.
No, they're not coming to me today. So yeah, it's gonna be more full. She's gonna have some more volume in her braid, and I think that instantly makes anybody look like they have more hair than they actually do.
I love that.
I know, same girl. It already looks super cute. And I love braids on blondes. I just think you can see it so much better. It's just nice and bright. I don't know. So like it looks really good. They look great on everybody, but and then just keep taking your pieces, add them to your next little strand, and then just take it under. I love braids. I think it's just so fun. Okay, so right here in this area, I feel like it gets tricky. My hairline does exactly what Kourtney's does, and I just have it's not bald, it's just very light hair right here. So there's not as much to grab, which is totally okay because whenever we go to make it look more full and kind of voluptuous, then it'll look, you won't even be able to tell. So like the strands further back to the head where I'm pulling the hair from will automatically just kind of look a little bit bigger just because I'm getting the most hair from back there. So I'm going to braid Kourtney's hair all the way down to the very end, and you can do a few different things. You could just keep it loose if you wanted to. I'm going to pin hers back, but it's really just kind of personal preference, whatever you want to do. Okay, so we're going to leave just a little bit out. And my favorite thing ever invented are these like little clear plastics because you can...
They don't look like there's anything there.
Yeah, there's like almost nothing there, especially on blonde. I mean, I know it's for everybody, but like when my hair was blonde, I use these things all the time. And you can get different sizes, smaller ones, bigger ones. These are kind of, I think, like a medium size. So, okay. All right, so here is Kourtney's cute little Dutch braid, and I'm going to kind of pin it back once I get it all kind of flattened out. So whenever you want to make your braid look more full, kind of just that has a lot of volume and a lot of body in it, all you have to do is just pull it. So just pull each one. I'm gonna make it messy. So like, you know, life's too short to be like perfect, so especially braids. And the bigger the better. And especially for anybody that has, you know, more thin hair, even like more fine, like Kourtney's hair, this is always a good little go-to. And if you pull one too big, pull the other ones to kind of match, so. And then some people hold on to the end of it, but I just go ahead and tie mine up and then kind of pull. Messy, messy. There we go. Oh, there's just something about it that's like an anxiety relief, you know? There's like braiding.
I just like it. I have like
for you, it's like you're just doing my hair, so that's an anxiety relief.
Not even that. It's just like relaxing. Like I know I have my eyes closed, but ladies, like
it feels good. Okay.
It feels so good. When I go and get my hair done, sometimes I talk and I'm like, why am I talking?
Why am I talking right now?
Good right now.
I know sometimes I feel bad for hairdressers because they probably get that so much, but then I'm like, I'm sorry, this is my me time.
Yeah,
it's just a part of it.
That and getting my nails done, I could literally fall asleep getting my nails done.
There's something about that too. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna curl Kourtney's hair and I'm just gonna like pin up the top. I feel like I curl my hair like 3 different ways. So like I'll do like a messy curl and then I'll do a curl that like will make my hair look like I have so much more of it, you know? So with Kourtney's, I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna separate the layers.
I was gonna say, let's do that.
And I use a curling iron, but then I also use my straightener almost every day. I feel like with my curling iron, it has to be a little bit more uniform, if that makes sense. But with my straightener, I just like kind of pick pieces. Okay, and then I'm just gonna tease Kourtney's hair just a little bit just to give her some extra volume before I pin back her braid. You know, I don't know, everybody teases their hair differently. I've done it like the same since I was in like high school. I could not tease though in high school. Like I could not figure it out.
I just didn't tease.
You didn't?
Yeah. No, I take that back. I did. Because that was when the bump it.
Oh.
I didn't have one, but I just learned how to make
the
it.
famous bump it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I forgot about those.
And if you're out there and you don't know what the bump it is, just be glad you don't.
Yeah. Just be glad. Or if you want to know, because you're like, well, what are they talking about? Google it. YouTube it.
It's some of the creations that people come up with that, I mean, it was literally like one of the biggest like hairstyling tools.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't use it like I said, but a lot of people did.
Like one of those fads. Okay, and then I don't ever really have a preference on, you could do it over everything and have it kind of show. You could even like kind of tuck it under where you don't see. Mine is just kind of however I'm feeling that day, you know? You're not tender-headed, right? Okay, great, perfect.
No, my great-grandmother broke me of that.
That's awesome. Go great-grandma.
No, she used to braid my hair so tight.
Oh my
I would
gosh.
get facelifts at 3 years old.
Now you're like, can I have one of those, please? At least I do anyways. In some areas.
No, I remember I could see, that's probably why I have fine hair, because
she probably pull it all out.
And my hair was like super, super blonde, like fine baby blonde hair, these tight braids.
Okay, I'm gonna curl just a couple extra pieces again. So that So, and something that I like to do too is I like to do the braid around the face like Kourtney's is, and you could just braid it tight enough down the side and then just like leave it hanging too. And that's super cute. Okay, let's see. So cute! Love it. Okay, well, that's how you do at least one style for short hair.
Yep. More to come.
More to come soon.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more styling tips just like you saw today.